You know the feeling. You're about to cook, you grab an onion, and you make that first cut. Everything seems fine, and then, boom! Your eyes are on fire and the tears start pouring. For years, everyone said some boring gas makes you cry. But what if I told you that onion is literally shooting at you? Some people say it launches microscopic bullets at your face at insane speeds. The question is that the whole story? This is absolutely crazy. Before you can even smell it, this onion has already attacked you. It's not just some gas, it's a spray of weaponized liquid fired straight from its cells. It's literally a tiny biological cannon. It sounds like something out of a movie, but the truth is even crazier. First, you have to see an onion for what it is, an insane fortress. They grow underground, so they had to get tough to stop animals from eating them. To do that, they built the ultimate defense system. Every single cell in an onion has these separate little rooms like secure bunkers, and each one holds a different chemical for its super weapon. Now this is where the high-speed bullet theory came from. Scientists used high-speed cameras and saw that when you cut an onion, the cells literally explode in a burst of liquid. It's a super violent explosion. So everyone thought these were the bullets carrying the poison straight to your eyes. It looks cool, but that's not the main reason you cry. The droplets are part of the story, but they aren't the real weapon. So if it's not liquid bullets, what is making you cry? The real answer is something so much smarter. The main weapon isn't the liquid, it's a gas that's created in a split second. This is what actually happens. The second your knife slices the onion, it starts an insane two-step chemical reaction. Step 1. An enzyme called alinase from one bunker instantly mixes with a sulfur compound from another bunker. This creates a super unstable chemical, but it's not done. Almost instantly, another enzyme, the real genius behind the attack, grabs that unstable chemical and transforms it into something new. And it creates this, syn-propanethial-s-oxide. This is the onion's true secret weapon. This stuff is literally designed to make you cry, and the craziest part, it becomes a gas instantly. Your knife isn't firing bullets that are already there. It's starting a super-fast chemical factory that builds a cloud of tear gas. So why do we even see that spray from the cameras? That spray is the launch pad for the gas. Especially if you use a dull knife, you're not cutting, you're crushing the cells, causing a huge explosion of liquid. That massive spray creates a giant surface for the gas to launch from and fly right into the air. But a sharp knife, it slices so cleanly that it breaks way fewer cells and makes a much smaller reaction. This is why chefs are always telling you to use a sharp knife. You're literally disarming the onion. Once that invisible gas cloud is in the air, it floats right up into your eyes. And let's bust a myth right now. This gas does not create sulfuric acid in your eye. The gas itself is the irritant, and it's more than enough to set off your eye's alarms. Your brain freaks out and sends an emergency signal. Enemy in the eye, flush it out now. It activates your tear glands, and they go into overdrive, producing tears to wash the chemical away. In this tiny war, your tears are your last line of defense, trying to fight back against the onion's chemical attack. Now that we know the enemy is a gas, I'm going to give you 5 hacks to win the war against onions. You're not dodging bullets. You're stopping a chemical reaction before it starts. Number 1. Cool it down. I'm talking 30 minutes in the fridge or a bowl of ice water. This is an absolute game changer. The cold literally slows down the chemical reaction, which means less gas. Number 2. Use a water shield. The gas dissolves in water, so cut your onion next to a bowl of water or even under the faucet. The water will trap the gas before it ever gets to you. It's a foolproof chemical shield. Number 3. Get some air moving. Turn on a fan or your stove's exhaust hood. You're just blowing the gas away from your face. If it can't reach your eyes, you cannot cry. Number 4. I already told you this, but use a sharp knife. A sharp blade slices clean, a dull blade crushes and causes a massive chemical explosion. It makes a huge difference. And finally, number 5, put up a barrier. Yes, onion goggles look ridiculous, but they literally work by sealing off your eyes. Even wearing your contact lenses can act as a partial shield. Do whatever it takes to win. So next time you cut an onion, remember you are in a tiny, insane chemical war. It's a battle of enzymes and gas happening right on your cutting board. If you think this was crazy, comment below and tell us what everyday mystery we should investigate next. I can't get over how insane this is. The idea of an onion shooting bullets is fun, but the reality is a million times more impressive. The onion has a super-fast automatic factory that builds a custom chemical weapon in milliseconds. This is a defense system that has been perfected for millions of years to fight off anything that tries to eat it. The onion doesn't shoot a liquid bullet. It creates a chemical weapon so smart it turns your own body against you. And knowing that is way more amazing than any myth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon to be notified of our next upload. Until then, as ever, stay curious.